From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, as we head into the new week, it looks like a more typical summer weather on tap. It looks like rain chances a little bit lower than normal. Fewer afternoon storms for Monday and Tuesday, but chance of storms on the increase mid to late in the weekend. Maybe a fizzling frontal boundary could bring us drier weather for the weekend, but I don't know if I'd count on that quite yet. You know, it is summer after all, where you still have plenty of moisture across the Gulf South. No real overt weather systems really dominating other than that ridge of high pressure to our north and west and across the area. Once again, with daytime heating, we saw a scattering and smattering of showers and some locally heavy thunderstorms. Very typical summer scenario. We've seen the storms almost daily for the last several weeks, but most of the action staying below severe levels, so that is the good news and much needed rainfall. And by the way, we've caught up on the rain deficit that we've had for the first half of the year in the last 3 or 4 weeks, pretty much getting close to normal rainfall wise, what goes into the ground. Now, Power Doppler 3, after a good scattering of showers and storms during the course of this evening, this is a 6-hour loop. All is quiet at 10:12 this evening, and it should stay that way through the overnight hours. You can see the convection kind of bubbling up and then falling apart and more back to the east, and we'll reset and do it all over again for tomorrow. Tropics, though, starting to come out of their slumber. It's been a near normal tropical season so far with just 3 named systems, no hurricanes, but this one is looking a little bit more robust and has a 40% chance of development. We think this may stay out in the Atlantic, but bottom line, things are about to change where we'll not only be tracking this system, but we may even have to watch the Gulf for some mischievous action down the road. In fact, here's the European model tracking that wave. Not much of a system for now through the latter part of the week. Meanwhile, you see the red on and off across our part of the world, so rain chances staying with us. Hopefully a little bit of a frontal trough comes in to help dry us out going into the weekend, but no promises there. And there's that tropical wave showing up here on the European model. We're going 10 days out, and you can see it pushing through the Caribbean. Flip it over to the GFS model. We see the same wave showing up nicely out here, but also watch the Gulf of Mexico gets a little bit busier in the next 10 days. So there's the tropical wave that's come off the African coastline, but there looks like to be a little bit more mischievous activity going on northwest Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico. So we're getting to that time of year where we're going to start tracking disturbances much more closely. Near term, though, no worries. Overnight tonight should be nice and quiet. Scattered tropical showers and thunder showers mainly tomorrow afternoon, early evening hours perhaps. And we do it all over again as we head into Tuesday with rain chances still a little bit below normal or normal of late, which has been better than 30%. So we'll say 30% or less. Going into Wednesday, watch the convection get cooking. We can only bring you through 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but rain chances starting to go up for your Wednesday. And again, our computer model data keeping us in the scattered to widely scattered category anytime from late morning through the afternoon and early evening hours. Overnight tonight, mid-70s, your low. Quiet night ahead, and that moon getting full. It will be later this week on Thursday, and last supermoon of the year, by the way, and then partly cloudy skies, a hot and humid day. We'll go 93 the high for tomorrow. We got up to 94 today, so a similar day for tomorrow, and the risk of an afternoon shower, thunder shower. Again, the model indicating maybe late afternoon, early evening hours. Rain chances at 30% through Tuesday, but picking up 60% or better Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe Friday as well. And with any luck, maybe a drier weekend coming up next weekend, but no promises there. Summer continues to go, Scott. And we're in August after all, dog days of summer, and they continue across the board.
And they could be getting a little more interesting, right, sir?
And yeah, well, you know, when the tropics start perking up, that's kind of when we start getting more on our game and watching the models morning, noon, and night. But right now, nothing to worry.
Gotcha. Thank you, Rob.